Oh, hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm gonna Beyblade X Hasbro. And Beyblade X Hasbro RockGolem 160 UN. I got two of these because they were on sale, plus there was a ton of them. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
Looked revolted. Todd sidled up to the new guy. You know, you never said your name. What's your name and what's your power?
Okay.
He was hoping that the kid wasn't much so he could lord it over someone. Right now, Todd knew that he was the weakest member of the team. The new kid looked down at him, grinning a little evilly. The name St. John, my codename Pyro. He took out a small light.
Okay, let's do this. Oh. Shit. Shit. Okay. Here's the QR code.
Xavier had the helmet unit on his head. You called for me, sir? Yes, Scott, Charles said.
So yeah, I got two of them.
We seem to have found that he muted. His powers just activated on the coast of Florida. The Cerebro satellite zoomed in.
Okay.
I thought he died in the plane accident with our parents. Indeed, that is why I called you down here.
And
Before someone else tries to recruit him to their cause.
let's do it.
Scott grinned and nodded, still cursing himself internally for not realizing his brother was still alive and searching for him.
There we go.
Yet perhaps it wasn't too late. Scott and Logan left the room quickly, followed by Xavier in his wheelchair.
But yeah, here we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.